expert and grabbed Kim so she can explain a cup of cheer and my quilt because she knows more than I do.
Okay. Just a little. Oh my gosh, you guys at Aurora Sewing Center, you are going to love this quilt. And I know Alyssa is in love with it.
I am.
You like all things cute.
I do.
But let's take a closer look at this. This is brand new. This is the new line of Kimberbell fabric, also called Cup of Cheer, but this is an Advent Christmas quilt. It's a quilt like you haven't ever seen before because it is very interactive. And just like an Advent quilt would be, it's got numbers on them for the different days from 1 to 25. So I'll briefly tell you some of my favorite blocks. Does that sound good?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, all of this is done on the embroidery machine, which is so much fun, right? And the other thing is it can be done in a 5x7 hoop. So any of the blocks that are larger than a 5x7, we show you step by step how to double hoop it. But the good news is it can be done. So let's take a look at block number 1. Isn't that so good? I mean, come on. A zipper, are you kidding me? With a little present, and then you unzip it for block day number 1. You can put some chocolate in there. You can put, a little note, maybe a gift card, something in block number 1. Then you go over here. We won't go through all 25, but I'll point out some of my favorites, right? Okay, so this is number 2, and this one you're actually going to embroider these little Velcro circles on the embroidery machine, so it's all digitized as part of it. And then you add the little mini pom-pom marshmallows, right? That's really cute. I didn't notice that. This is the kind of quilt, we like to call it the quilt that memories are made of, because an Advent quilt, it just is going to bring families together and have so much fun with all the interactive blocks. Okay, so I love number 3 as well. I'm actually going to pull number 3 out of a bag because there's a whole slew of extra stuff that you make and then add onto the quilt. So this is a zipper bag. It uses our large zipper pouch blank, and then you'll get the design for, the Cup of Cheer Advent quilt to stitch on top of it. But look how cute.
See, I didn't show you guys that because I didn't know that, and that's really cute.
All right, how about that house? So if anyone did like Candy Cane Lane bench pillow, then this house you're familiar with, but we've made it bigger and we've made it interactive. So now this is a little pocket window, and then you could like roll up like maybe it's a note or an activity, like, hey, we're gonna go to grandma's to make cookies. Maybe it's like we're gonna go on a drive to look at Christmas lights. Maybe it's a scripture, you name it, you could put it in that little window. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one is fun. This is day number 15, and you actually untie the strings and you could place some kind of toy in there. Again, maybe a gift card, a note, some
candy bar,
candy cane. Super fun. This one I love. 'Tis the season to snuggle. We've got the 2 mittens, and you tuck the little snowman in one of the mittens. Isn't that fun? Now, what's really cool about this whole fabric line too is, let's take a look over here. This is 'Tis the Season to Snuggle as well. It's the exact same design here as you see in this quilt block. So everything that coordinates in the Cup of Cheer fabric line is also in the quilt itself, which is kind of fun, right? Okay, this one is the little tree in the red bucket, and this is for days 7, 8, and 9. Take a look.
That's where the hockey tickets go.
Oh, Scott. Yes, you're right. That would be perfect. So there you got little lace ornaments, and that you can hang on each of these little buttons that are on the tree. Yeah. Here's another little zipper. We put just a piece of jewelry in there. Kind of fun. These stockings, so fun. So this goes from the tree all the way up to the snowman hand. And let's add a few more, shall we? Let's add a row of stockings.
Because those are the numbers. So this is day 14, 18,
and 22. All right. So now he's holding it, but look, my favorite block here is the snowman, because how cute is he?
Even got a fringe
the
in
little
there.
Fringe. Of course, it's done on the embroidery machine. And we've got a little snowflake happening over here, but that is because it's Velcro for the little birdie that hangs on his hand. So fun, right? I love. Can't you see like putting that even on another pillow or a tea towel or a sweatshirt? It'd be so cute. Okay, this one, I absolutely love this wreath. I think it's gorgeous, and this would be cute even as its own little pillow, but it's got to have a bow on the top, right? So with velveteen, look how gorgeous that is. We put our flexi foam underneath, and there you go, a beautiful wreath. Here's another little house, number 12. It has another little window pocket, and then look at the door. It opens up, and there's another little pocket that you could place a scripture or note, an activity, or you name it, right in there. Okay, what else do we have here?
We got the Griswold family truckster.
Yes. Okay, so Scott, did your family ever have a station wagon growing up with brown paneling?
No, but we all know about it because we saw them on the road.
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, we did as a family, but we'd always go look at Christmas lights in that. It was a yellow station wagon for us, but we had the brown paneling, so I had to add it here. I think a lot of people, child of the 70s, 80s can relate. And then we put the tree on top for that day. But if you don't want to use the little station wagon, look at the optional block.
An optional block to do that.
And so instead of doing this with the station wagon, you could put the little VW block.
The VW is from the 60s.
There we go.
There you go.
That's right. And then I love this little guy. This is another pocket, and then we put the candy cane in there. And then this one is All Hearts Come Home for Christmas. But check this out. So this is day number 25. It's got a pocket on the back, but there's a little music box in there. Let me press it.
We wish you a Merry
Yes,
Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh my gosh. That is fun.
And one more cup of cheer. Let me show you this one. Here's another cup of cheer. Drink up. And there we go. Yeah, I know you will. Right? And then you just stick that there. So lots of fun techniques. You're doing like applique, which it looks like piecing, right?
Yeah, it does.
Applique. Just some fun stuff to show off in a quilt like this.
I am going to tell you, I do have fabric kits coming. I do have the whole line coming. I have the embroidery and I have the embellishment kit. So don't worry. It is all coming to the store when we're allowed to have it.
Yeah, I think it's like towards the end of June, but if you can order it now,
so like Christmas in July.
Exactly.
Wow, I know you had it.
Some good thinking there, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for going over this because
You're welcome.
I know you know more about it than I do sometimes.
Yeah, I've seen it a little bit longer, right? Yeah, you bet.
Thank you.